Hey, watch out, buddy.
What is this?
Woo! It's ready.
It fell off?
Yeah, yeah.
Did you video it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I saw it. It already had come off.
Wait, hold on.
Oh, man. Ooh. We don't have noodles. We got rice and corn and cantaloupe. We don't have, we want rice. Is this right back here? This is the cantaloupe. Oh, that's okay. Are you done playing around there?
That's the best cantaloupe I've ever had.
Oh.
It is way better than in the store.
Yeah.
It